So let's go find some items that we could possibly snoptimize or snipe. But before I start, if you're new to the channel, I highly recommend going and hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And give me a thumbs up while you're at it. So today we're going to use eBay.com. I don't normally use eBay.com because I live in the UK and I normally sell on ebay.co.uk. But today I thought we'd do something different and I'd try and find examples or items that you could find to sell in your eBay store if you're not in the UK and want to use ebay.com. So this process is really simple. All we're going to do is put in a keyword. So let's think of a keyword. Let's go with bloody hell, my mind's gone blank now. Let's put wardrobe. Wardrobe. See if we can find other dropshippers. So I'm going to scroll through the list. Right, so you know what, I'm going to change that to buy it now. Have a little look, see if we can find any dropshippers. Now let's scroll down. Possibly. Shipping not specified. Sponsored listing. Let's keep scrolling. Let's try this one. No, that's Australia. Don't want any Australians. Sorry guys. Just want some American shit. So, possibly. Let's have a look at the title. Closet organizer kit, adjustable basic clothes. Possibly. So let's open this in a new tab. Now what we're going to do is scroll down to the description, highlight half of it and search in Google. And by searching in Google, if they are a dropshipper, it normally pulls up where they're sourcing the item from. So here's the product description. Not too sure whether this is. I don't really do this on ebay.com. I normally do on ebay.co.uk and that's what I'm used to. What 5 foot? Read this, 16.5 foot. Design closets that are 5 to 10 feet. This could possibly be it from Home Depot. So let's have a little look. So that is it, 249. Are they selling it for more? 249. 372. So right away I think we have a dropshipper. Just to confirm this, we're going to go to his sold listings. Just go over here, check their feedback as well. Sometimes you can tell just by the feedback if they're a dropshipper. It's going to go to their negative. So scroll down, nice, seller is great, transaction smooth, chair broke. I only received 4 cameras, I have not. Okay, so let's go to their sold items. Over here, you got the view items for sale. We go there, and then we scroll down. Yeah, this looks like a dropshipper. You can tell by the images. Mostly, when people dropship, it's all like stock images. So let's go to their sold listings. So what was this? So I'm not going to try and work out the profit margin. This video is just basically to show you how to find dropshippers. So then you'll have items that you could go ahead and list to make that moolah. So yeah, that's $249 and he was selling it for $375, I think. Anyway, we're in his sold listings, so let's have a little look through them and see how many they've sold and if we would like to sell them ourselves. As you can see, they've currently sold 203 items of this. Not items of this. 203 items recently they have sold. Now, they've sold 7 of this, so I'm going to click on there to see how often this item has been selling. Not very often, they've only got it in March. So let's try another one of his listings. Let's try this one. Open that in the new tab. Let's have a little look, see if they've sold many. They've only sold 1. So let's go back. Let's try this one. Now, if you're interested in sniping, you can get software that makes this process a hell of a lot quicker. And that software is called DS Genie. There is a link in the description if you want to go through and check it out. Anyway, look, they've sold 4 of this item, so let's have a look, see how often it has sold. They've sold 2 in March, so you could possibly sell this item if you wanted. You could either snipe this item. By sniping, you take the whole item listing, sell it yourself and undercut. Now let's just see if there's anyone else that is sniping this item. To do that, we just take the title, plug that into the search bar and press enter. As you can see, there's a oh, maybe not. No, there's no one else sniping this item. Now, is it worth sniping? I don't know, because we haven't found out the profit margin, because we haven't found out where they're sourcing it from. So what we can do is just scroll down, go to their description, highlight, right click and search in Google again. Now let me just close these 2 tabs quick. Now this looks like it's possibly Amazon or 3 sizes. I don't think that's it. 66 spools. Okay, maybe it is Amazon then, so let's go and have a little look, see how much it is on there. Okay, so straight away it's $24.99 over on Amazon.com. They're selling it for how much? $33.99. Trying to think what the profit margin would be on that. Hold on, I'm just going to pull up a calculator, so I'm going to pause the video for a minute. Here's the calculator. So what we're going to do, just plug in the details. So it's how much? It's $24.99 over on Amazon. So item cost £24.99. Then he's selling it for $33.99. See, I don't think the profit margins are very high on this. $33.99 fixed price. Okay, so I think I've done this right. I never really use this website. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so I normally use pounds. But as you can see, he's making $4.31 off of this item. So you could snipe him, undercut him like $1, make £3, $3, because there's no one else sniping this item. As you can see, just put that back in the search bar. See, there is no one else selling this item with this title. So also keep in mind that he is paying for paid promotions. Now, me personally, I'd be more inclined to completely snoptimize this title or optimize the title, because this doesn't really make too much sense to me, and I reckon I could do a better job out titling this person. Now, the point of this video was to show you how easy it is to find other dropshippers so you can find items to list yourself. And once we identify other dropshippers, we can then take their store name here, go and put it in a spreadsheet and build out a sellers list. So that way you've always got sellers or dropshippers you can go to, see their best selling items and possibly sell them yourselves. Now, I want to keep this video nice, short and simple. I will do more videos like this using eBay.com just to show you how easy it actually is to go and find these other dropshippers and find items for your store. As you can see, it was really simple. It didn't take too long at all to find another dropshipper. We did it within a few minutes. So go ahead and learn the process so you can also go out and find items for your store. Now, there is, again, software that makes this a hell of a lot easier and quicker, and it's called DS Genie. Now, I have left a link for that in the description below, so if you want to, go through and check it out. Now, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can be updated for all my further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.